Hello learners, we are going to discuss today the MCQs from hospital and clinical pharmacy. We are on part 1 from hospitals and their organization, wherein we are going to cover few of the MCQs from this chapter. So here on Pharmacy Infoline, come and join us to enjoy the MCQs with explanation. So to start with the question 1 from part 1, the question is, an institution of community health is dash. Whether an institution of community health is an hospital, educational institute, industry, or none of them. Which among the given is correct for the institution of community health? Come on, you can put your answers fast in the comment box, wherein you can write your answer the way question 1, A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So question 1, you can put your answer in the comment box and later on you can verify your answer. The correct answer is, it is hospital, wherein the community health is considered a priority. Next question is, the functions of modern hospital include dash. Whether the functions of modern hospitals include training the doctors and nurses, or it lowers the incidences of disease, or it raises the quality of care and standards of medical practices, or all of them. Which amongst the given are correct about the functions of modern hospital? Come on, you can put your answer fast in the comment box mentioning question 2, 1, question 2, 3, etc. Okay, question 2 का कौन सा आंसर है? The correct answer is, it is all of them. Not only these, of hospital is having various other functions starting from patient care till the prevention of disease, wherein different ideologies like research, okay, training the personals, then medical education, outpatient services, diagnosis and treatment of disease, all these services are functions of hospitals, wherein the hospital is acting as the link between the general public and the policy makers. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, hospitals are classified on the basis of dash. Whether the hospitals are classified on the basis of clinical orientation, whether they are classified based on the anatomical and physiological specialization, whether they are classified on the client's group they are serving, or all of them. Which amongst the given is correct for the classification of hospital? You can put your answer in the comment box fast. Till that we will look into the classification. So the classification includes, it is based on the objectives like whether it's an research institute, whether it's an special hospital or general hospital, multi-purpose hospitals, etc. Okay, based on the administration, ownership, also there are few hospitals like government hospitals, semi-government hospitals, okay, agencies, non-government or private, you can call them as private hospitals. All these can be classified based on the ownership. That means whether it is owned by government, whether it is semi-government, or it is owned by some private personals. Next, again, it is based on the length of the stay, whether it's a short-term hospital or long-term hospital. Next, it is depending upon the type of medical staff, closed staff hospital, open staff hospital. Again, it is based on the clinical orientation, that is for specifically for the purpose of treating that particular disease like cancer hospitals, TB hospitals, etc. Okay, based on the specialization also they are classified, like whether it is for ENT, so it is ear, nose, throat, so it is ENT hospitals. If it is for eye, then it is eye hospital, orthopedic hospitals, etc. Okay, again they are classified according to the client groups. whether the pediatric hospitals are there, gynecological hospitals are there, maternity hospitals are there, all these things are there. Okay, based on the study of medicines also, or system of medicines also, allopathic hospitals, ayurvedic hospitals, homeopathic hospitals, and so on. So various classes of hospitals are there, wherein the correct answer is, it is all of them. Not only these three, there are many other criterias on the basis of which the hospitals are classified. Next question is, based on the client orientation, the hospitals are classified as, whether they are classified as TB hospitals, leprosy hospital, cancer hospital, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is based on the clinical orientation, not client orientation. It is clinical orientation. That means it is for which purpose. Okay, the correct answer is, it is all of them. You can cross check your answers. Okay, why? Because the clinical orientation, it is for particular disease, like cancer hospitals are there, they wherein the specifically cancer patients are treated. TB hospitals are there, leprosy hospitals are there, and so on. So based on the clinical orientation, the hospitals are classified as these: TB hospital, leprosy hospital, cancer hospitals, psychiatric hospitals, etc. Next question is, based on the anatomical and physiological specialization, the hospitals are classified as dash. That means an kidney surgeon will be there in the kidney hospitals. Okay, orthopedic surgeon related to the bones, then ENT hospitals, that is ENT specialist, that is ear, nose and throat hospitals are there. Eye hospitals are there. Okay, so depending upon the specialization, that means it is related to which part and their functioning of the body part. Okay, so the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, on the basis of client group, the hospitals are classified as dash. Whether the client group is whether they are classified as pediatric hospitals, maternity hospitals, gynecological hospitals, or all of them. Which amongst the given is correct answer? Come on, you can put your answer fast in the comment box. The correct answer is, it is all of them. On the basis of client group, the hospitals are classified as pediatric hospitals, which are meant for the children's, maternity hospitals, which are meant for the mothers, gynecological hospitals, which are meant for the pregnant ladies, okay, women's, or general women's, like wherein who are suffering related to their gynecological issues. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, on the basis of system of medicine, the hospitals are classified as dash. Whether on the basis of medicine system, the hospitals are classified as allopathic hospital, Unani hospital, homeopathy hospital, or all of them. You can put your answer in the comment box fast. Till that we will verify the answer. The correct answer is, it is all of them. On the basis of system of medicine, that means the types of medicine. Allopathy system is there, yes. Ayurvedic system is there, wherein we are treating it with the natural things. Homeopathic hospitals are there, yes. Unani hospitals are there, and there are various other hospitals like nature cure centers. Okay, physiotherapy is there. So all these are based on the system of medicine. Next question is, on the basis of ownership, the hospitals are classified as dash. Whether they are classified as government or public hospitals, private hospitals, public hospitals, or all of them. Which amongst the given is correct for the basis of the ownership? If you will talk about the ownership, based on the ownership, there are public ownership and private ownership. Public ownership, it is nothing but it can be jointly, that means jointly owned by some private investors and government, or private hospitals are by only private personals. Okay, or they, for example, they can be run by some trusts like Mumbai Hospital, Jaslok Hospital, etc. And the government hospitals include, like, it is something like railway hospitals. Okay, So all these things, civil hospitals, okay, then these are nothing but two types of hospitals which are based on the ownership. So the correct answer is, it is all of them, okay. Wherein the government hospitals and non-government hospitals, government hospitals it is civil, army, city, okay, and non-government hospitals are private hospitals and non-profit hospitals like community hospitals, charitable hospitals, etc. non-profit हॉस्पिटल में ट्रस्ट हॉस्पिटल्स है, चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल्स है, एंड प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में फॉर प्रॉफिट के लिए जो रन किए जाते हैं, दोज आर प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स इन अंडर नॉन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, on the basis of size of hospitals, the hospitals are classified as dash. Whether on the basis of size, the large hospitals are there, medium hospitals are there, small hospitals are there, or all of them. Which amongst the given is correct on the basis of the size of hospitals? The correct answer is, it is all of them. Large hospitals wherein 1000 and above beds are there, medium hospital wherein 500 to 1000 beds are there, small hospital wherein 100 to 500 beds are there, and very small hospitals wherein beds are less than 100. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, on the basis of cost of hospital, they are classified as dash. Whether on the basis of the cost, they are classified as elite hospital, budget hospital, both of them, or none of them. Which amongst the given is correct? The correct answer, you can put your answer in the comment box and then you can verify. So what do you mean by elite hospitals? It is elite, as the word suggests, like Jaslok Hinduja are meant for the privileged, okay. They are the symbol of high-tech medical development. They comprise of deluxe rooms with TV, refrigerator, telephones, etc. and the room rates may vary from 500 or say for 300 to 1200 per day, also known as 5-star hospitals. Example, Apollo Hospital, okay. And budget hospitals are also there, wherein it is based on the cost hospital, which are charitable or civil hospitals, or moderate to low budget hospitals are also there, okay. Wherein corporation hospitals, okay, or civil hospitals are budget hospitals. So the correct answer is, it is both of them. Budget hospitals are also there, as well as elite hospitals are also there on the basis of the cost involved. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from part 1, hospitals and their organization. Thank you and stay tuned with us for further more parts. Enjoy the MCQs with explanation on Pharmacy Info Line. Thanks.